Lamborghini Revuelto 2026. Let's go. What is going on, everybody? And welcome back to Nitro Garage. Today is an absolutely massive day because we are covering one of the most insane, most breathtaking, most jaw-dropping machines ever created in automotive history. The brand new Lamborghini Revuelto 2026. So buckle up, sit tight, and get ready, because this ride is going to blow your mind completely. Just stand back for 1 second and look at this machine. That deep, sinister black body finish. Those razor-sharp, aggressive body lines. Those menacing aerodynamic curves. This is not just a car sitting in front of you. This is a living, breathing predator waiting to be unleashed. Lamborghini did not just update the Revuelto for 2026. They completely reimagined what a supercar should look, feel, and perform like. Every single panel, every single fin, every single surface on this machine has been designed with one single purpose: pure speed and pure domination. Now let us get into what makes the Lamborghini Revuelto 2026 truly special. The heart of this beast. Under that aggressive hood lives a fire-breathing 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, combined with 3 next-generation electric motors. And together they produce an absolutely face-melting 1,015 horsepower. 1,015 horses, all working in perfect harmony. All pushing this machine forward with a ferocity that you simply cannot describe with words. You have to feel it to believe it. The numbers speak for themselves. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.3 seconds. 2.3 seconds. That is faster than your brain can even register what is happening around you. And the top speed of the Revuelto 2026 pushes past a mind-bending 355 kilometers per hour. This is not road-legal performance anymore. This is pure aerospace-level speed happening right here on 4 wheels on the street. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission is so fast, so precise, so incredibly smooth that gear changes happen in milliseconds. You will not feel the shifts. You will only feel the relentless surge of power pushing you deeper and deeper into your seat, as the speed just keeps climbing and climbing with absolutely no mercy. Now look at that design one more time, because Lamborghini went absolutely wild with the Revuelto 2026 styling. Those iconic Y-shaped blue LED headlights at the front now shine sharper and more intense than ever, like 2 frozen lightning bolts staring down everything in their path. The new 2026 active rear wing is bigger, stronger, and more aerodynamically advanced, generating record-breaking downforce at high speeds. The full carbon fiber monocoque chassis makes this machine lighter, stiffer, and more responsive than any Lamborghini ever built before. Step inside the cockpit and prepare to have your mind completely blown. Lamborghini redesigned the entire interior for 2026. A massive curved digital display wraps around the driver. Premium Alcantara leather hugs every surface. Ambient mood lighting shifts with your driving mode. And the new Anima 2026 Drive Mode selector puts complete control of this savage machine right in your hands. With over 13 driving modes available, the Revuelto 2026 transforms from a comfortable daily cruiser to an absolute track-destroying monster at the push of a single button. The Lamborghini Revuelto 2026 starts at over $500,000. But for this level of performance, this level of design, and this level of pure Italian passion and engineering excellence, every single cent is absolutely worth it. The Lamborghini Revuelto 2026 is not just the supercar of the year, it is the supercar of the entire decade. If this video got your heart pumping, then smash that like button right now. Hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. What color would you order your Revuelto 2026 in? Until the next fire machine, this is Nitro Garage. Stay fast, stay furious, stay legendary.